What's up, everybody? Welcome back. This is BasedKing, and today I gotta go to a haircut appointment, and I gotta get there as soon as possible because it's all the way in another town, pretty far away. Also, I don't know if y'all notice, it's not mounted on my head right now. The only reason is because whenever I mount it on my head, it kind of messes with my hair, and I kind of just want to make my barber's job a lot easier. I'm back once again. We're heading over there to the Tri-City, getting this haircut in because it's been long overdue. I think the last time I got a haircut was the last time I recorded and put it in this video that I went to go get a haircut, which was, I don't even know how long ago, a month, 2 months ago, but it's been a long time, so it's finally time. How has everybody been? Comment down below, let me know how your days are going and everything. Today is another beautiful sunny day, but the weather is like 40 degrees. It makes no sense. We got lots of sun, but it's cold. I don't know, you can see, beautiful sunny day. The sun's out, the river is right there. I hope y'all been enjoying the content. I've noticed that my views have gone down and my likes as well. I am not sure why. I'm trying to make as much content as soon as possible for y'all and push it out on a weekly basis. I know I had that one hiatus where I went for a bit without recording just because I was doing the install on this beast, and I'm sorry about that. But let me know, y'all, what y'all want to see. Please give me ideas so I can get these views up and these subs up and just make better content. The only reason I'd want an action cam is because it's lighter. Heavy Pro Max phone on my head is annoying, and it leaves a mark on my forehead with the mount I have. I kind of do want an action cam just because it'll be super light on my head and I won't even feel like it's there and it won't leave a mark. Probably like a GoPro Hero 11 or the Insta360 Go 3S, kind of leaning towards GoPro now, is because they have that hyper view, which is like a super zoomed out view, and it's like a super wide angle. If y'all fuck with the iPhone cam, let me know, and I probably will invest into one if this is good for y'all. And another reason I would want action cam is because nighttime POV drives would be 10 times better. Kind of going slow. I need to move, y'all. I'm gonna get over here. I hate being late to my appointments. I mean, my barber's usually cool with it, but you know, I don't like doing that. And I am not in track mode, y'all, by the way, just so y'all know. All right, let's get moving. Also, I hope y'all fuck with the shorts I be uploading. I kind of struggle with coming up with ideas of what to make, but like that last one, I liked a lot. I just like parked up by the river, you know, showing all the angles of the SRT8, especially now that it's lowered with its lip kit on. I feel like also the iPhone quality does not do justice of the exhaust. Like, I just stepped on it right there and it sounded pretty good, but to y'all probably heard nothing. I think everyone thinks I'm a cop just because, like, it's always open. I kind of want them to not leave it open just so it's funner and give me more cut up content, because I'm already hauling, you know? Like, I'm not even gonna say how fast I'm going, but I'm already hauling. This dually, all black dually from Lithia. That was a pretty clean truck, but I'm not really a fan of dualies. I don't know if y'all are, but I do love Dodge Rams. I see a Dodge Durango up there, y'all. Anytime I see a white one, are they civilians or are they, you know, the boys in blue? So I kind of take it easy. Like right now, look, I could just scoop over into that lane and then scoop over in front of that gray truck if I really wanted to. But I don't know if that Durango is a civilian or not. Just a civvy. I gotta rush to the haircut appointment, y'all. Thank you for it. Appreciate all of you. Let's move. we are. We're trying to get there as soon as possible. I'm gonna vent the hood right now. I think that's a GR86 right there. I think that's what they're called. Oh no, that's a BRZ. Disregard, y'all. My bad. Those are like the newer BRZs. They're nice. I've been in a BRZ before, y'all, and they're not meant for me. I can't sit in them. They're too small. Oh dang, I think I just heard the boost. I didn't know the car comes with boost. Well, let's take off, y'all, because I need a rush. I forgot. I'm slowing down, getting distracted. I need to fucking get there. Go over this lane. Feels different not being in track mode, y'all. I feel like track mode is like, I feel like track mode should be like this car at all times. We got some Subarus. There's a lot of Subarus out here from like, we got this WRX right here. We got this Outback in front of us. We got a lot of Subarus. Cutting up for y'all. I swear that BRZ was trying to cut up too. He was right on my tail. Yeah, that BRZ is trying to cut up, y'all. It's right on my tail. I don't know if you guys can see that. I love it. I don't get this in my town, in my hometown, y'all. So for this to happen, feels good. I gotta get to this haircut appointment, y'all. I don't want to be late. I gotta make it. All right, y'all, let's go. Fuck with that. Look at that beautiful day, y'all. Beautiful sun shining down upon all of us. This is a road I want to see, y'all. Let's move. There it is. I think that's like the brand is Polaris. Pretty cool, pretty neat seeing one of those. I wonder how it is driving it. Look at this open land for me, y'all. Yeah, let's take off. Don't know if it's a Stingray or not. I'm not really in tune with the Corvettes like that, but y'all tell me. Pretty clean spotted for basically. There we go. Here we go, y'all. Oh shit, I just took off. Okay, I gotta take a right somewhere, y'all, because I gotta get back. Get back on the right track. Well, this is a pretty nice neighborhood, y'all. I like it. Look at that station wagon, y'all. That's insane. Oh shit! We got the fucking lower charger. I don't even know, they debadged it. I don't even know what it is. Y'all, this is not rushing to get to my haircut appointment. But we're almost there, honestly. We're not even that many miles away. So I gotta get there quick. Let's move, let's move, let's move. The charger has done its job. We still have some time to spare too. I thought I was gonna be late, but thanks to the dark night, we have time to spare. Boom, and we made it, y'all. Made it into a little neighborhood. All right, everybody. I'm gonna go park up and go get my haircut done. All right, y'all. Just got the cut done. I'm going back to the whip. Sexy as usual. Yeah, cut done. I'm all fresh now. Looking good. Let's get back to driving.